Upgrading your windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make to your home. In Farmington Hills, where the seasons bring everything from snowy winters to sunny summers, investing in new windows can enhance your home's comfort, aesthetics, and value. Here are the top reasons why this year is the perfect time to upgrade your windows. Boost energy efficiency and reduce utility bills. Farmington Hills experiences a full spectrum of weather conditions, making energy efficiency a priority for homeowners. Older windows often lack proper insulation, allowing heat to escape in the winter and seep in during the summer. Modern windows are designed with advanced materials like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low-E coatings, and gas-filled spacers. These features minimize heat transfer, keeping your home at a consistent temperature year-round. Not only does this enhance your comfort, but it also reduces the strain on your HVAC system, leading to lower energy bills. Improve your home's curb appeal. Your windows play a significant role in the overall look of your home. Outdated or damaged windows can detract from its aesthetic appeal, while stylish, modern replacements can instantly boost curb appeal. Whether you prefer the timeless charm of wood frames or the sleek sophistication of vinyl or aluminum, today's options are highly customizable to match your home's style. With an upgrade, your house will stand out in your Farmington Hills neighborhood for all the right reasons. Increase property value. Replacing your windows is a home improvement that pays off. According to industry experts, new windows can offer a return on investment, ROI, of up to 70–80%. If you're planning to sell your home in the near future, potential buyers will appreciate the reduced maintenance and improved energy efficiency that new windows provide. In Farmington Hills' competitive real estate market, having modern windows could be the edge you need to attract top-dollar offers. Enhance home security. Old windows with flimsy locks or single-pane glass may not provide the security your family needs. Modern windows are built with durable materials and advanced locking mechanisms, offering better protection against break-ins. Some models even come with laminated glass, which is harder to shatter. Upgraded windows give you peace of mind, knowing your home and loved ones are safe. Reduce noise pollution. Living in Farmington Hills offers a blend of suburban charm and city convenience. However, proximity to bustling areas or major roads can mean dealing with unwanted noise. Modern insulated windows are excellent at soundproofing your home. Their advanced designs significantly reduce outside noise, helping to create a quiet, serene environment indoors. Protect your interiors. Did you know that UV rays can damage your furniture, flooring, and artwork? Older windows often lack proper UV protection, causing these items to fade over time. New windows with low-E coatings block harmful UV rays, preserving the beauty and longevity of your interiors. This investment protects not just your home, but also the cherished belongings inside it. Enjoy low maintenance. If you're tired of the constant upkeep required by old windows, such as scraping, painting, or repairing damaged parts, upgraded windows can make your life easier. Many modern windows are designed for low maintenance, with features like tilt and sashes for easy cleaning and materials that resist warping, rotting, or chipping. This allows you to spend less time maintaining your windows and more time enjoying your home. Take advantage of incentives and savings. This year is an excellent time to upgrade because there are often tax incentives, manufacturer promotions, and financing options available for energy-efficient home improvements. Look for ENERGY STAR certified windows to maximize your savings and qualify for potential rebates. Prepare for extreme weather. Farmington Hills winters can be harsh, and summers can be hot and humid. Upgrading your windows helps your home withstand these extremes. Modern windows are designed to prevent drafts, resist condensation, and maintain structural integrity, even during severe weather conditions. Support sustainability by upgrading to energy-efficient windows. You're reducing your home's carbon footprint. Lower energy consumption translates to fewer greenhouse gas emissions, helping to create a more sustainable environment. For eco-conscious homeowners in Farmington Hills, this is a meaningful way to make a difference. Upgrade your windows and transform your home. This year, take the opportunity to enhance your Farmington Hills home with new windows. From improved energy efficiency and security to increased property value and style, the benefits are too significant to ignore. Partner with a trusted local window contractor to explore your options and find the perfect fit for your home. Start reaping the rewards of new windows today and enjoy a more comfortable, beautiful, and valuable home in Farmington Hills.